Kublai buni fibro section part kijing betip nam ta ki kubor like kam kane kidai ki kam ki balaj post office ki badai tang nam ta ki sports person te habong sports person hangne kemud ba kidon sau judge no ki badai ki bahap hapo sports person kemud kwa ki bala represent ki school national school mud ba represent ka state tang bala kadai ka national inter school kan represent shabar le shabar amdei inter school hapo state Meghalaya tai kibla represent ke school national inter school kibla represent ya ke university inter university kibla represent ya ka state level mat kibla represent ya ka ri tang kita kibla yo ban apply amdei kibaya le hapo state la demo kibaya le tang inter school dan inter dong dan tournament kita kin yo ban apply mo ini post ki post kibla yang ne kidon kemba kat pras pa tam kan mau ha sports person kiba ko ban apply nam ta gini sangap ha kat praspa tame tekin sadon pada kadre wise kata kade ka total mo kat praspa tekin don pada kadre wise state wise laga jong jong isa pia ya kita kat praspa tam te nakine pada ka qualification kidon ka paskas 10 kadon paskas 12 bar kadon ka pas degree lai teli don teki post kidon ka masau teli tamba ki qualification kita lai teli mo dengan pulih kene kawai ki detail ki video berkene te lada pide sports person and if interest nam tawan apply kini sampai kene video hodok bakun kini ke debit online batch don exam nam ta kini push should apply online batch no dengan pulih kat kum kene ka advertisement kepala yo recruitment of meritorious sports person in the department of post in the cadre of postal assistant sorting assistant postman mail guard and multitasking staff tai post te hapo Meghalaya pada idon tang lai tali hapo not is ma kamdon re Meghalaya ha ka post office kadon ka thoi not is dere kan thup lang ba ya baro bang not is ma start date for receive of online application asdang nadu 10 tarik November kan kut pada khandai tarik jong u Desember kelas date kedai khandai tarik jong Desember kan mau ha ban ya kata te sa ada piko aban apply sa le no koloi nam ta ban apply kani sabuk description tengnya page e jinon kam te kene di group si post kine ka postal assistant sorting assistant postman mail guard but multitasking MTS te skill of pay hangne rodap ai skill of pay postal assistant sedang absen hajar seneng sorting ro absen hajar postman arfu hajar mail guard arfu hajar seneng multitasking staff khat hajar seneng kane ka di tangka pay level no te nakini bne la ban yo tam la ban poise ka lai pho la an poise ka am tahi ma bal khain langsa ki allowance e bro vacancy postal wise and cadre wise ki ai ka postal wise but cadre wise mo na khat praspa sa phia biang teng se pe kita ka notali hapo not is ki don post te age limit la dap ai pa hangne khat pra do apnyo khat pra do apnyo mat kane ko ga MTS khat pra do apsan kamut plus age relaxation nam tagi SCST sans name kan long khat pra hadu live for hours name kemud ba ki bala hadu al live for hours name ru kinang yo ba apply hapo ka live hour ma kelas ka hadu live for hours name mar plus sans name ka age relaxation ada aine age limit by 5 years shall be allowed in each case relaxation tegil ai san nam tagi SST te hangne ru ada ai ka for the post of postal assistant but nam ta ka sorting assistant kan de bachelor degree and knowledge of working on computer kita dan tak post of postman pada di class 12 standard should have possessed local language in the Kosan postal circle or division as one of the subject in 10 standard or above local language of postal circle or division shall be in annexure 2 to the time knowledge of working in computers dengan komputer dengan valid driving license two wheelers or light motor vehicle dengan license kiba ko awan apply nam taka postman and milgan tenam taka post of multitasking pada di tang kelas 10 multitasking staff 10 standard from a recognized board tang kelas 10 mai te haba ong sports person ane mod bale mila represent ya ri jem represent ya state represent inter university ba represent ya school national school game kan bar kane ko ka national physical efficiency drive ka tu ka jong amati pa ka tu national award te ki sports ki bayo ban apply nam ta kini kam ki dei tang kini sports ki bal alis hang ne ma list of sport which qualify for appointment of meritorious sports person adap ai hangne name of sports and name of sports game archery athletic atya badminton ball badminton baseball basketball billiard bodybuilding boxing bridge carom chess cricket cycling cycle polo deaf sport equestrian sport kibun ma fencing football golf gymnastics handball hockey ice hockey, ice skating, ice skiing, judo, kabaddi, rete, kayaking, kho-kho, kudo, motor, netball, para, polo, shooting, powerlifting, swimming, taekwondo, yushu, bunma, hadu nrup santali sport yoga sana, hadu nrup santali ki sports kidan, te ngan sabuk kaling ban yuk ban download ikan ika PDF ru bisa cek bahama pi napok ka website jongka post office kidan layuk ban download nang tu sapej ikan iki sports kidan triathlon squash ibun bah hadu nrup santali ki sports ma list of authority competent to award certificate okay kan am don kamera ningkong kan iPhone which to be awarded international competition, national competition, international inter university tournament kon balai, national sports games for school kon basau, basan kan gas physical efficiency drive. Method of selection telah tibi first preference kan I bila urusan dia kari, second preference bila urusan dia state, third preference inter university, fourth national sports game for school, fifth national award in physical efficiency, sixth state represented state unitary university state school game who represented in a level mentioned in the category 2 and 4. Jadi dan lah kajong te ban apply pada kumno ban apply online tengah sabuk ikan kaling application shall be submitted only in online mode at https://dops.sportsrecruitment.sep.gov.in tengah sabuk ikan kaling subscription sampai yang tu bisa apply ada pihak kuat ban apply nam tak ini post kepada post office. Dan menurut kami siu nam taki SCST it is free. Menurut kami siu tangi ki general kategori kada sispat engkah. Dan ada don apa yang jumpi pemikiran kepada sports person beri buka apa apply menjadi post desa apply menurut kami exam should apply baik but submit iki dokumen jumpi. Dan ada don ini circle wise ne cadre wise vacancy. Mal barok ngalai tu pi buka total kada praswatam hendrai kad komik cadre wise pada pimhab apply lah kajong cadre mah. Dan hangne kadre wise hangne kadai jongi kadi not is teka not is kadon post tong kumba nriu teli nam taka postal assistant mawa Meghalaya not is nriu teli postal assistant sorting assistant amdon postmanship hoteli milgat amdon but MTS prateli hangne bang not is mut kontup lang e borok ma not is hap kon is ki bahap apa not is sahaj betul lang baru lain jo ka Assam ka kadon la ka jong te kini Mizoram, Manipur, Meghalaya, Tripura, Nagaland ki hap ne Sikkim ki hap ka North East category te kidu ki post ki ba de tang jo ka North East phila am apply ba ka language ru ham nang la Pinang kini ki state la Pinang ka tin ko ba phila hi ban apply kidon ki language hangne te mega North East mi awan pe ka North East ka language ma kidon kam ka language kane Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Tripura, ke Sikkim kemudian re. Tang gitu Arunachal, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Tripura. Deki ka language dan kamne deka Hindi, lane English, lane Manipuri, lane Mizo, lane Bengali. Kawai ni gini. Dan mar kadon ke English te kiban abar ilahi ban apply am takane. Kata tam nak le. Te second mau ban le kemudian kam la piko ban apply kane. Kalingan buat po description nam ta man apply kene post is online submit idun kamera is free menurut kamu lagi tangin lagi tip flash one